Hey everyone, and welcome to our chapter on indexing. Indexing is a way for us to be able to identify which item is located where in our list. So essentially, if we have a list, for example, a list of people that we invited to our birthday party, like John, Mary, and Hank, then we know that John is the first person we invited, Mary is the second, and Hank is the third. However, in Python, we start counting from 0. Now, if we also take a look at strings, then we know that strings are a collection of characters or a list of characters. What that means is, if we take a look specifically at John, then we know that J is the first item in our list and N is the last item in our list. So now let's go ahead and see how we use indexing in code. The way that we're going to use indexing in code is we're going to write our variable name followed by square brackets, and inside the square brackets, we're going to mention the index that we want to receive. So in our example, we're creating a variable called myString, and inside of it, we're using our usual hello world. Now, to get the specific index or the specific item at the index of number 4, which actually refers to the 5th item in our list because we start counting from 0, then all we need to do is open our square brackets after mentioning our variable name, hello world, and then we put in the index that we want, number 4. Now, this is going to give us O, because O is the 5th item in our list, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, in case you were wondering what the index is for each specific individual character in hello world, it's going to appear both in your notebook and on the screen. Now, an additional way for us to be able to tackle indexing is by using negative indexing. We can actually start from the end. Now, the way that we start from the end is by having -1. When we use the minus in the beginning of our indexing, after basically opening our square brackets, when we start using minus and then whatever character, it means that we're starting to count from the right to the left. So specifically, by doing myString -1, we're going to be getting the last character in our string. Now it's your turn to go ahead and start exercising.